Hi, this is part 2, and we are taking the epoxy molds out of the mold, and I did test out with this little guy first because I had overflowed his tail, and I wanted to take him out a little bit early so I could try and trim off the overflow with some scissors, and it worked a little bit, but I'm going to have to trim that a lot more. I'm going to sand it down. And also I was sad to find out that my mold does not make it shiny, so I'm going to have to put another layer of nail polish or epoxy or polishing it to make it shiny. But I haven't popped any other ones out, just this one because I had overflowed it. So the rest of these we do not know what they look like, so you'll get to know at the same time I do. So let's see what we got. So here's the one that we got. It has all the different colors, the shell, and it's shiny on the one side and cloudy on the other, but we can fix that. I'm also kind of sad to see, maybe you can see with the seahorse better, that my glitter sank. So only one side of these pendants has the glitter, and then there's a layer of the epoxy which is clear, which kind of looks neat from the shiny side, but not as neat as I had hoped from this side. But maybe it'll be better once I shine it so you can see through it better. Let's see how this one looks. That's pretty neat with the little beads in there. It's kind of see-through. And there's not a whole bunch of details, so there's not as much clouding on this one as the other ones. I kind of like that one. That one's pretty neat. And these are popping out really nicely from this mold. I'm very happy about that. Here's the starfish. And I had added more glitter in this one, so it's kind of got more glitter depth to it, so it's looking better. So either I need to add more glitter or I need to layer it so that it will work better, but we'll learn. And they don't look bad, and I think they'll look even better once we get them shined up on both sides. So now here's our coasters. I'm hoping these come out as nicely. I'm almost afraid to break them because it doesn't feel like it wants to come out as easily. This is the one. I love the feathers, but I wasn't sure about that glitter. I guess we'll find out. So I don't know if you can see, but the feathers kind of almost disappeared. They're just little polka dots in there. So the glitter didn't hurt it at all. It just kind of gives it a little bit more depth to it. And I like the fact that I put the feathers down. They did not come through this side either. I was worried about that, but they didn't do that. So that actually worked out pretty neat. Okay. Now for the final one. This was the one I was hoping most for because I love the seashells. Here it goes. That's pretty neat. You can see through the sand, so it's not dark. And you can tell that it's blue. And it kind of worked on all ends. That is really neat. I like that one. So far, that's my favorite. So that's how these turned out. This is how I'm going to finish them and shine them and put them on necklaces. And then I'm going to take up close-up pictures for you guys so you guys can see how they look a little bit better. And next time, I'm going to actually use, for our next project, we're going to use bottle caps. And we're going to make bottle caps jewelry. And I have 6 of them. I'm going to try and do Galaxy, at least on 2, and we'll see what else I can come up with. If I can find a starfish small enough, we'll do that too. So, until next time.